Introducing the Milesight LoRaWAN Smart Thermostat. Engineered to integrate with various HVAC systems. Outperform typical wireless tech, the Milesight WT201 Smart Thermostat is LoRaWAN based, featuring a user-friendly design and seamless operations. Customized temperature control modes to suit your needs and boost energy efficiency. Simplified setup with NFC ease. Manage indoor comfort 24/7 with independent scheduling. Craft your custom schedules while commanding data security and reliability. Receive alerts tailored to your needs and let the embedded algorithm fine-tune the temperature. But wait, there is more! Sync with room keycards, freeze protection, and multicast feature. Control at your fingertips. Even no gateway required, instant communication with other Milesight LoRaWAN devices. Upgrade your HVAC control with the Milesight LoRaWAN Smart Thermostat, the smart choice for ultimate comfort, security, and efficiency.